Yeah, good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. So in previous class we have learned some part of HTML. Isn't it? Introduction to HTML part 1 we have learned. In that we have learned about HTML tag and header tag, title tag and the elements, content elements or empty elements. About those two elements we have learned. So what are the content elements? Which have on tag and off tag. So HTML tag, head, title. So all these are content elements. Okay. So next empty elements. Today we will learn about empty elements. Next in that we have body part. So in the title whatever you want to display, the name for the title for the web page, that you can write. And whatever the part you write in the body, that will be displayed in the web page. Today we will learn about body element. So in this, so what is our lesson name? Introduction to HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which links your web page and use it to write documents in websites. So to write web pages we use that. So back end, the HTML coding, front end, whatever you see, that information or that video. So in that last class we have learned about it. So next we will learn about the body element. So body element. So this should be kept in the angular brackets. These are called as angular brackets. It is the content element. So content element. That means it has on tag and off tag. On tag and off tag. So this is on tag. This one is on tag and off tag means slash, bold. So capital letters you can write or small letters you can write. So this is the off tag. So content elements means which contains on tag and off tag. So today we will learn about this body part. Anyway, in previous class we have learned whatever you write in the middle of this on tag and off tag of body, that part will be displayed in the web page. We have seen our name, school name, examples. And we use it that bold, italic, underline, font styles also. So these bold, italic, underline are called as physical element. Physical marker elements. So this also we have learned. We have seen the example on this. So now we will see what are the attributes of body. So attributes of body element. So attributes are nothing but it provides you the extra information. Provides extra information about the element. Info about element. Or additional, whatever the additional modifications or formatting we need, that we can apply through these attributes. So additional changes or additional formatting. That we can apply through these attributes. So for this body we have different attributes like BG color, COLOR. There is no U here. Next one is background. Background. Third is text. Fourth one, margins. So about all these four we will learn now. So what is the attribute? It provides you the extra information about element or additional changes or modifications, whatever you want. Some formatting, additional formatting for the or additional formatting or to display. to display the content. The content in the body element. So using these attributes we can increase our presentation. So however you want to present the information in the web page, using these attributes you can increase the appearance by giving different background colors or foreground color, or keeping some pictures at the background and giving margins. We can increase the appearance of the web page. So now we will learn about these 4 attributes. So what is the first attribute? BG color. First one is BG color. So for colors it is a hexadecimal code. So color you can mention directly the color name. So no need to learn all those codes. You can directly mention the color name. Attributes of body element. So body. So first one is BG color. So it gives the background color. Background color for the web page. So here in this no U, only R, COLOR. Background color for web page. So how to mention it in the code? How to write it? So along with this body element, we can write body next to BG color equals to whatever the color you want, that you have to mention in the double quotes like this. Body next to the attribute name, the color name. Double quotes must and should. You have to mention that in the double quotes. Okay. So like this you can apply the color for web page. So total web page color, background color will be in the red color. I mentioned red color, it will be red. If it is green, it will be in green color. Whatever the color you mention here, in that color your web page will be displayed. So next one is background. Second is background. In that background we can insert some pictures, images as the background. BG color is different, background is different. Okay, body. So same. Here we have to write background equals to, so that file. So whatever the picture you want to, whatever the image you want to keep as a wallpaper in the web page, at the background for the web page, that you have to mention here. So that path you have to mention, file colon 3 slashes and C colon slash user. So where you have saved that file, that you have to mention. In which folder you have saved it, that you have to mention. Desktop. So that file name, some image .jpg or jpeg, in that forms you have to mention. So in which form you have saved, that name you have to mention. So how to get this image? Same, go to the web browser, write whatever the picture, whatever the image you want, type that name, you will get those pictures or images, download it or save it on the desktop, copy that path and paste here. Okay, where you have saved that one, or open it in new tab, copy the address in the tab and write it. Okay, whatever the path where you have saved on desktop, that image name .jpg or jpeg, you have to write it. So it will be applied as a background for web page. So that picture will be applied as a background for the web page here. So you have to mention the path correctly. Then only it will be applied for that web page. Next, third one is text. Third attribute is text. Text means whatever you are writing in the web page. The font, the letters or numbers, whatever you are writing, that text. For this text also you can change the color by mentioning in the body tag. Body text equals to some color, green color, green, and you write some ABCD, some writing, slash body. So this ABCD is displayed in green color. Okay, this is displayed in the green color. That means whatever you are writing, that text, those numbers or letters, only those will be displayed in which color we have mentioned. Green color, if it is green, green, or red, it will be displayed in red color, or black, it will be displayed in black color, like that. Okay, text. So next, fourth one is margins. So we can give margins. In Word, MS Office Word, how we are giving margins? We are selecting the numbers, we are giving the margins or not. So like that, margins we can give for the text. Margin. So in this, 4 margins are there. So top margin, left margin, right margin, bottom margin. So these are the 4 margins that we have to mention in the number. That number you have to mention, that too in double quotes. Only margin attribute, no margins. Only margin attribute. Equals to some 70, like that. Right margin equals to 70. Bottom margin. So these are the 4 margins we can apply to the text which is in web page. So that means these margins will be given for the text in the web page. Here whatever you write, that will be applied. So how to give this? So body, you have to write the body tag and write this top margin equals to left margin, right margin. After this, close the angle bracket and write the text here. Some text you have to write. After that, close the body tag. So like this, you have to apply the margins to the text which is written in the web page. So how to write all this means, all this you have to write in the notepad. You have to save with the extension .html and you have to open that web browser. So web page you have to open and check the output. Okay. So what are the attributes of body? We have learned about BG color, background color of the web page. Background as an image. One image you will keep as a background. And third one is text. Whatever we are writing, that text we can change the color. Fourth one is margin. For that we can give top margin, left margin, right margin, bottom margin. For the text which is in the web page. Okay. All this I will show you in the system. In textbook, you have 4 programs and one more is empty element. Isn't it? So last one we have that empty element. Empty element is nothing but break element and HR, horizontal rule. So 2 empty elements. Till here all these are the content elements. So next one is empty elements. That day in previous class I have explained what are the empty elements. Empty element is nothing but which has only on tag, no off tag. So empty element, only on tag it has. Okay, example is break and HR. So HR is horizontal rule. So it draws one line, horizontal line. With the size you have to mention. This will be in next lesson. In 6th lesson you have that. Okay, next is in 7th lesson you have this one. Okay, this. That time you will learn it. Now break. So break is used to write the sentences lines wise. Okay, next line. Suppose you have written my name is something. I am studying like this. Something. Next, I am studying in Okay, only 2 lines will write. Next slash body slash HTML will write. So how it is displayed in the web page? So in that web page output is my name is this one and I am studying in class 7. Total it will be displayed in one sentence. Suppose you want to get it in 2 sentences, that time we have to use this break element. Then the first line is displayed and after that the second line is displayed like this. 2 lines are displayed. Otherwise total my name is this and this I am studying in class 7. Total will be displayed in one sentence, in one line. If you use break, the second line is displayed in another line like this. 2 lines are displayed here. Okay, this is the empty element. Okay children, hope you are understood. I will show you all this in the system. So with background color, BG color, background and the attributes, margins, text. Next one, this empty element using break, without break and using break. Both 2 programs I will show you and you can distinguish the difference and so that you can understand better. Okay. Yeah, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about the remaining attributes of body. So attributes of body, element, body tag we are learning now. Okay. First one we will learn about BG color, background color. So body BG color. First attribute is body BG color. So using this BG color we can change the color of the background. So total web page color we can change. Here text equals to yellow. So whatever you write that will be displayed in a yellow color. And the margins. So left margin, top margin, right margin. These are also the attributes of body tag. So we can give the margins. How we are giving in MS Word, margins, top margin, left margin, right margin, same. But here you have to mention the tags here. So in the tag as attribute we have to use those. And we have to mention the value in double quotes. So for example I wrote 60, 75, 60 which this program it is in your textbook. That only I wrote. But here I wrote only one sentence. There they gave a big paragraph. Okay. So already I have typed all this and I am explaining this one. Next HTML tag, head tag, title. What is the title you want for your web page? That you have to mention the title tag and you have to close the head tag. Here head contains only title. So for body the attribute, first attribute is BG color. Color we can change. Here you can write the color, any color, blue color, red color, pink color, like that you can mention any color here. Text means whatever you write in the web page, that color you want to change, then you have to mention text equals to some color here. Here I mentioned yellow color. And left margin, right margin, top margin. These are also another attributes of body. So these margins, so it gives the space for our information. Whatever you write in the body part, that will be displayed in the web page. Okay, next to slash body, you have to close the body tag, have to close the HTML tag. Okay, next that we will open now. See here, blue color is displayed or not. For web page, the background color is blue color and the title is Politics in India. So India is the largest democracy in the world. I wrote only one sentence. So that sentence is displayed in the output. Okay. Next one, background image. So whatever the image you want to display as the background, that we have to select. Next, another attribute is background. For body tag, another attribute is background. In this background, we have to mention the file name where you have saved. That image file name you have to mention here. So I have downloaded one tulips file here from internet. Or if you have any picture in your system, that also you can mention the path and you can keep it as background. Okay, you can take it as a background for your web page. So this one, how to select means you have to go to the internet. We have to open the Google Chrome. Here you have to open the images or any flowers images like that. Those who don't know, for them I am explaining this one. Flowers photos. Some photo you can select this one. So this photo you have to save it. Where you want that you have to save that. Save image as. So I am saving this on the desktop with the name Rose. Okay, Rose I'll write. You can change the name with what name you want to save. That name you can give, and JPEG file. Save as type equal to JPEG. I have saved this on the desktop. So open it. Picture will be open here. Right click. Here file information. Select that. This information is displayed here. See here folder path. Just copy this and paste it in the notepad. And write the name /rose.jpeg. So this will be applied as the background picture, background image in the web page. So this one we have to copy this path, folder path, and again /rose.jpeg, and this we will open now. See, open with the notepad. So this one here it is copied. The file :c: user is the total. We have to copy till here and write in that. Then it will be applied as the background for the web page. So next one is another program with break element. So without break we will see, and with break we will see that. Okay, next one. So here one poem like things, something is given. Oh, wild wind, west wind, though, breath of autumn's being, though, from whose unseen presence the leaves dead are driven, like ghosts from an enchanter feeling. So this is whole is displayed in one full line. If you don't give any break element here, here is nothing, only HTML tag, header tag. In the title tag we have to give understanding line breaks. So that is the title for your web page. So in the body part, these lines are, one stanza is written here, and body/HTML. Okay, this is the program without break element. So if you don't use break, what happens, that we will see now. Okay, so without break means it will be displayed in whole sentence. All these are displayed in one sentence. No breaks, no next lines, nothing. Okay. So to get all these after commas, we want that line in the next line, isn't it? That should be displayed in the next line. For that we have to use break element. Break is an empty element. It does not contain any off tag. It has only on tag. That we have to write here. See, break element, BR, break. Next another sentence. Next sentence you want. So break here. That means it breaks this sentence and it is displayed in another line. Okay, here also we will keep one break. Okay, next last line. For last line also we will write one break, BR. Okay, now we will save the change. We'll save it, and now you will see what happens here. If you write break, what happened there? See, each sentence is displayed in one line. So remaining after break, the remaining line is displayed in another line. So another line, 4 lines. In 4 lines it is displayed. So that is the use of break. To break the sentence in different parts, and it is displayed in next lines. Okay. So break is an empty element. It does not contain any off tag. Only on tag we have to write. Okay. This is the output for break tag. 4 sentences. We have break that now. That's why it is displayed in 4 different sentences. For this also you can change the background color. You can give background color, background image. For that text also you can give. Okay. So like this. This is a background color. We changed this background color and we changed the text color also here. And another one is background image. We kept some image. That image path you have to mention there. And text I gave black color. So it is displayed in the black color. Third one is without break. First output we have seen, and with break this is the output. So these 4 programs or in your textbook. Try this and practice this. And we have learned the attributes of the body are BG color. For text, we change the color. Text also another attribute. And margins, left margin, right margin, top margin, those we have learned. And changing the background, BG color is different, and background we kept one image as a background. And next one we used the break element. Without break element one program we have seen, with break element we have seen one program. Okay children, hope you all understood. So if you want any image, just open the Google Chrome, select, write whatever the images you want, select that image and save it on the desktop. Okay, and mention that path. I have shown file // like that. Open that, copy that path and paste it in the in your notepad. Okay, then only that will be set as the background image for your web page. Okay, so try these programs at home. Practice.